Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to figure out the center point of any particular sheet of paper, whether it's a paper or a board or a square shaped canvas, whatever it is. Let's see how to find out the center. So you need a ruler. So what I'm going to do is to keep the ruler like this, which connects both the diagonally opposite corners. And when you have placed the ruler like this, draw a line in the center and then do the same thing for the opposite corners. So in whichever point the line and the ruler meets, that is the center point for this entire paper. So now that you found the center, I'll tell you how to draw circles and create grids for painting a mandala. So let's say I want to draw some 4 circles. So one with the radius 1 centimeter, then 3, 5 and 7. These are the 4 circles that I want to draw. So what I have done is I have just marked a point. So once you have marked the point, you have the compass. And I personally found the smaller circles is a bit challenging for me to draw with the compass. So instead of rotating the compass, what I do is I rotate the paper. We marked points for 1 centimeter, 3, 5 and 7. So the challenge is only up to 2 centimeter radius circles. After that it's going to be easier. So now I'm going to draw the next circle. See, now it's very easy. Now the next circle of the radius 5 centimeters and then 7 centimeter circle. So the first step is to figure out the center, then mark the radius, draw circles. Then the next is to draw a line that exactly divides all the circles into 2 parts. See, something similar to this. Now once this is done, now I can use this protractor to mark angles. Now what you do is there is a center dot here and there is a center dot in the protractor as well. So make sure both are in sync, and the 0 and 180 degree in this protractor should be exactly on the line. So make sure you align that and then hold your protractor. Now mark angles. Let's say I want to mark angles like 30, 60, 90, every 30 degrees. So I'll mark 30. Now I'm marking 60. Now marking 90. Now 120 and 150. Now I'll repeat the same process to the other part of the circle too. Now I turn the paper around. Repeat the same process again. So the center dot and the center in the protractor should be in sync. 0 and 180 on the line. Hold the protractor so that it doesn't move. Now mark the angles 30, 60, 90, 120, 150. So now that the angles are marked, you can keep the protractor aside, take the ruler back. You can connect the two 90-degree dots. So when you are connecting the dots and drawing the line should always pass through the center dot. So this is an assurance that you are connecting the dots properly and you have marked the angles also properly. Now there are 2 dots in every quadrant. How are we going to connect this? Look at the line that divides the circle into half. 1 dot below and 1 dot above. So we will connect these 2 dots. See, again the line is passing through the center dot. Now these 2 dots I'm going to connect. Drawing the circles perfectly, connecting the dots right is very, very critical for forming the correct sized grids. So that's when you get the symmetrical mandala at the end. So one of the best tips that I would give all of you is to slow down when you mark the radius, draw circles and mark angles, connecting the dots. You need to be really slow at the beginning so that you get this perfectly, and then mandala would be a cakewalk. So I'm sure all of you understood how to figure out the center, mark radius, draw circles, mark angles, connect the dots. So now the guidelines for painting your dot mandala is ready. I'm sure all of you loved watching this video, and thank you so much.